I am pivoting this channel. For a while, this channel has covered different topics around business, technology, online opportunities, and digital products. But now, I want to make the direction much clearer, more focused, and more useful. From this point forward, this channel will focus on one major thing: teaching you how to build real products with AI. Not just how to play with AI tools, not just how to copy random prompts, not just how to chase quick money online, but how to use AI to build real websites, automations, WordPress plugins, SAS style tools, dashboards, business systems, chatbots, and digital products that solve real problems. The reason I am making this pivot is simple. AI is changing how people work, build, create, and do business. But I have noticed that many people are still stuck at the surface level. They are using AI only to generate text, create captions, ask questions, or follow whatever trend that is popular that week. But the real opportunity with AI is much bigger than that. The real opportunity is learning how to combine AI with thinking, execution, product building, business understanding, and real problem solving. That is the direction I want this channel to take. My name is Bitbanks. I'm an AI developer, WordPress plugin builder, website and app developer, and co-founder of Entitude Agency Limited. Over time, I've worked on different digital products: WordPress plugins, business tools, dashboards, automation systems, booking systems, AI-assisted workflows, and SAS-style platforms. So on this channel, I will not just be talking about AI from theory. I'll be sharing practical lessons from real building experience. You will see how to use tools like ChatGPT, Corso, Cloud, business automation platforms, design tools, coding assistants, and other AI tools to move from idea to execution. We will build things, we will test things, we will break things, we will fix things. We will review mistakes, we will improve outcomes. We will talk about how to package skills, create useful offers, and turn AI knowledge into something valuable. This channel will now cover topics like AI product building, WordPress plugin development with AI, AI-powered websites, business automations, SAS dashboards, chatbot systems, AI development workflows, tool reviews, product case studies, and how to monetize AI skills the right way. But I want to be very clear about something. This channel will not be about AI hype. It will be about AI execution. Because I do not believe the future belongs only to people who know how to write prompts. I believe the future belongs to people who can think, build, test, improve, and solve real problems using AI. That is the type of builder I want to help you become. So if you are an entrepreneur, a developer, creator, freelancer, agency owner, business owner, WordPress user, or someone who wants to learn how to build useful things with AI, then this channel is for you. My goal is to make this channel a practical classroom, a place where you can come and learn and build real practical things, learn faster. You should expect step-to-step tutorials, build with me videos, laptop walkthroughs, AI tool breakdowns, WordPress plugin tutorials, business automation lessons, product building, case studies, that is product building case studies, and business development lessons from real projects. I will also be sharing mistakes to avoid, because one of the biggest problems with AI right now is that people are building too fast without thinking properly. AI can help you move faster, but speed without direction can create confusion. So we will focus on direction, structure, execution, and value. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel. If you've been here before, welcome to the new direction. And I want you to comment below with one thing you would like to learn how to build with AI. It could be a website, a chatbot, a business plugin, a WordPress plugin, an SAS dashboard, a business automation, a booking system, or any useful digital product. I'll be reading the comments, and some of your suggestions may become upcoming tutorials on this channel. This is the new direction. No more random AI hype. Let's build real products with AI. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.